My name is Subramani and I am from Singatoka, Fiji Island. My age is 53 years old. I was suffering from this pain from last August 2025 where I have fell down, and then I was managed to meet my medical team in Fiji, and they have informed me that I need a medical treatment for my hip replacement which has been damaged by which I have been fell down. I was able to contact Dr. L. Thoma and team.
When patient came to us, patient was in pain and he was not able to walk. So the patient was thoroughly examined clinically, investigated, and then we planned for total hip replacement surgery. We operated the patient under spinal anesthesia, the ceramic implants were used, and the surgery was uneventful and the patient was able to walk the next day, of course with support.
After my operation, I was painless, very less pain, and which I was feeling in Fiji, and I have healed my pain within 7 hours of operation.
Within 5 days' time, patient was discharged from the hospital in a perfectly painless condition. Patient was quite happy.